Hey everybody, Kai here from Shits and Giggles. Just wanted to share something with you. Last night I did a food review for BarBurrito here in Pembroke. The review was okay. The food was good. It tasted great, but it was just very, very chintzy. There wasn't enough product inside the taco. So I went in today just on a courtesy call to let the owner know that it was unacceptable to charge $12 for 3 tacos without filling them up to the top or putting the amount of food that normally go into a taco in it. So I wasn't asking for anything free. She said, let me make those tacos for you again. So she did, and I'm just gonna look at them right now. I'm just opening up. And what a difference. I'm just gonna show you here. These are the tacos. Last night there was half the food in there. So I'm just gonna bite onto one of these, and yeah, so this, last night you wouldn't have been able to see the food coming out of the sides. You couldn't even see it really. She was very, very good. She was excellent. Her customer service was unbelievable. She took care of the issue. Again, I didn't ask for anything free. I said, no, you don't have to make me these tacos. She did anyway. BarBurrito makes excellent food. Their burritos, their tacos, which should look like this all the time, which probably will from now on, because she was very embarrassed actually. So anyway, I just wanted to say they are a very, very wonderful restaurant. Their customer service is great and their food is awesome. Have a great day. Talk to you later.